I thought I'd give everybody a little update today. We're still waiting on a letter from the State Department to get the rest of Petra's paperwork in the process. The cargo container will be here the 19th, picked up the Monday after that, and shipped. As it stands right now, it looks like I will be flying out on the 1st of August. And we are about, I'd say, 95% packed. We've got mattress upstairs still, her clothes, my clothes that we're going to keep and pack, take with us in flight. We've got the couch down here, my desk still to tear down, and one big thing in the kitchen, and that's about it. We got almost everything else done. I'll swing the camera around here so you can see what the front of the porch looks like now. It's getting pretty full. It's we're starting to get the big odd stuff that doesn't stack worth a darn now. So it's kind of jumbled. Had her brother and sister-in-law give us a little tiller that they don't use, and that's going to be well appreciated. But yeah, we got see the blue handle right there? That's my fancy scythe handle. Haha, and I have good European blades for it too. They're actually really cheap over here, believe it or not. But yeah, we picked up the 2-foot brush blade for 20 bucks, so I can't complain. But and her hostas are gorgeous now. Give you a little zoom in here. Yeah, they're gorgeous. This miniature Japanese maple, her brother's going to get that. They're bringing a big container. That's actually bigger than what it looks. It's about 6.5 feet tall. Petra's had it for years. That is an old well casing that's been sealed up and filled up with dirt. So we took advantage of it and put the tree in it. It actually likes it there. And some of her plants are in bloom. More hostas. I don't know what kind of hosta that is, but it's got purplish blue thingies on it. And these are pretty. So I get them to zoom in. There it goes. And the fuzzy monsters out here. Say hello, Barnaby. Yeah, I know. Daddy's pointing the camera at you. You'll live. But things are going the way they should be going. The shed is completely empty, except for some stuff that needs to go in the trash. Yep, that's it. We got some trash in here, and that's it. The birds got all the strawberries. Well, not quite all of them. We got a couple of them still here. We had some wild strawberries growing in the yard, so we plucked them and put them in a pot. And have been snacking on them off and on. But yeah, the roses are about done, I think. A lot of these plants here, Petra planted. The hostas, one of the roses she planted. I think her brother's going to get most of those. It's been a fairly laid-back, quiet day. Yeah, we went to IKEA to fill in some of the missing plates and bowls and stuff from the set she's got. That was fun. That was sarcasm, by the way. I really don't like going into big box stores that much. Alright, I'll let everybody off of here. Thank you for watching. We'll keep everybody informed of what we're doing. And if you like what you see, follow us. We're not going anywhere.